Hey, congratulations! You just took the first step toward your new life. The second step is to watch this video until the end and create some magic together with me. My name is Agatha and I want to share my experience with you. Over the last 8 years, I have become a professional trader, worked in some of the world's most prestigious companies, and earned respected awards and recognition in the trading industry. Do you want to know how ordinary people with no experience start getting returns in trading? I've seen it make a difference, and I want to show you how to do it. In this video, I will share simple yet effective market analysis methods that will help you make informed decisions and feel confident in the financial market. No complex terms, no endless hours studying charts, just clear steps and straightforward explanations. By watching this video until the end, you will learn how to apply this knowledge in practice and start working toward your financial goals. Are you ready to be the next person to take your life to the next level? Don't worry if you are a beginner. All you need to do is take action. Watch this video until the end and you will see how quickly you can start understanding trading. Ready to take the second step? So let's get started. Before we start, let me ask you a question. You already know that living paycheck to paycheck is tough. The more you work, the more exhausted you get, and it doesn't always mean you make more. Do you want to change your approach to finance? In my private trading community, members learn from my experience every day and see real results. I analyze the market live, explain my strategy, and show real trades. This is available to anyone, even beginners, and it's completely free. This isn't a theory, a course, or empty promises. These are practical methods that you can start using right now. But here is something important to understand. I can't accept everyone. I personally work with every beginner, and the number of spots is limited. Pause this video, click the link in the description or pinned comment, and start trading with me today. Let's keep going. Now, let's move on to the most exciting part, the market analysis. The platform is already open and we are starting with the minimum for clarity. I'm selecting the tools: pairs, trade duration 1 minute and a 30-second time frame. And as for indicators, I'm using Alligator, which consists of 3 moving averages that help predict where the market will move in the near future. Their different positions indicate the start, continuation, or end of a trend. It's important to remember that indicators provide information for analysis, but don't guarantee the accurate forecast. You will see with your own eye how the situation develops through careful analysis and effective decision-making. Make yourself comfortable. I'm starting with a rising position. Right now, the chart shows a downward trend and the price has reached a support level, a level that prevents the price from dropping further. This is a point on the price chart where buyers are ready to act. In this area, demand usually exceeds supply, which stops the price decline and often leads to a reversal upward. We see a certain price level, and such levels are typically strong. More often than not, prices bounce off them and start moving up. This allows me to join the upward movement. Great start. Let's keep going. There is a downtrend here. A strong price drop recently occurred, and now the price is making a slight correction upwards. However, it has settled below the alligator indicator, and the moving average lines have turned downward. This suggests that the correction is over and the downward movement is likely to continue. Therefore, I am opening a short position. We see that our decisions have worked out, so let's move forward. On this pair, a full reversal has occurred after a drop. The price is now making higher heights, and the indicator lines have turned upward, confirming strong buying pressure. Making higher heights is when the price of a financial instrument in a growing trend stops reaching new highs and instead forms a peak at the same or lower level than the previous one. This indicates that buyers are losing and may not be able to push the price higher. If after this the price breaks the previous low, the trend may reverse downward. Based on our current situation, I place a long position. This progress is looking great. Let's keep it up. I'm trading with the trend. The price is moving in waves. An upward move, a slight correction, and then a new high. Now that the correction is over and the trend continues, I'm going up. Correction is a temporary price movement against the main trend. A drop in a rising market or a rise in a falling market. It happens due to profit-taking, temporary supply-demand imbalances, and rarely changes the overall trend. Do you like the results? Because I do. So, how do you feel about the results? This is just the beginning. You've seen how I work, but the real question is, why are you still watching instead of learning with me? Do you think you don't have enough experience? With me, you will figure it out, even if you are starting from scratch. In my private trading community, members watch my live analytical sessions every day. No complex terms, no years of studying, just follow my recommendations and learn. Right now, entry into the club is free. I show real analysis examples, everything is transparent. You can observe my action, learn, and start seeing real progress this month. But remember, spots are limited because I personally work with each new member. I recommend joining now while you still have the chance. Pause this video, click the link in the description or pinned comment and join my trading club. Start taking action right now. As expected, the correction upward is over, but the downtrend remains intact. The price has dropped below the indicator lines, confirming that sellers are still in control. The support level is still far away, so I confidently join the downtrend. We are already halfway through our session. Let's continue. I'm revisiting this pair. After our last trade, the price broke the support level but failed to stay below it. This is called a false breakout. A false breakout occurs when the price temporarily moves beyond an important support or resistance level but quickly returns. It often acts as a trap for traders who mistakenly think a new trend has started. Usually, after a false breakout, the market reverses in the opposite direction. I choose to enter a long position predicting a reversal. Let's move on. Here, the price was moving upward and reached a resistance level. A pin bar candlestick appeared at the top, followed by a red candle, confirming that a downward correction has begun. A pin bar is a candlestick with a small body and a long wick on one side. It indicates that the price briefly moved beyond a level, but then reversed, which can show weakness in the current trend. A long lower wick suggests a bounce from support. Traders often see pin bars as potential reversal indicators, especially at key levels or in overbought, oversold zones. Based on the current situation, I open a short position expecting a pullback. We are not stopping here. Let's keep going. The price is moving in a sideways range, also called consolidation. It fluctuates between two horizontal boundaries without a clear trend direction. Think of it as the price being stuck in a corridor. Even though the price is ranging, the overall trend is still upward. This period of sideways movement is often a pause before the uptrend continues. Right now, the price has dipped to the lower boundary of the range, like hitting the floor of the corridor. This is an area where buyers usually step in, making it a good opportunity to go upward in anticipation of a bounce. Some traders consider this zone potentially significant. I take action. We are wrapping up soon, but let's make a few more trades. After breaking a level, the price failed to continue downward. Instead, an upward correction began, sellers gave in. Buyers again seized this initiative and begin to act. So I will react to this change. I'm going up. Great! Let's move on to our final trade. As expected, the correction has ended and the price is now moving back above the indicator, confirming a continuation of the uptrend. This is an ideal moment for going upward. That was great! The market analysis was insightful, and the decisions we made followed a logical strategy. The key takeaway is always analyze the market carefully and stick to your strategy. Trading in financial markets involves risk. Always keep it in mind. Make sure to manage your risks and conduct your own analysis before making any trading decisions. You just saw how I analyze the market and execute trades. You saw examples and you saw results. Now you have two choices. Close this video and keep everything the same, or take the first step toward new knowledge. Let's be honest, what will happen in your life if you don't take action right now? A year ago, you might have been in the same position, watching similar videos, searching for information. But the truth is, real progress happens only for those who take action. In my community, members analyze the market with me every day and learn from my real-time examples. I host live breakdowns, share my experience, and show how I analyze the market, helping members and develop their skills much faster than if they were learning alone. You are not just acquiring knowledge, you are getting the opportunity to follow practical examples that will help you understand market analysis even as a complete beginner. But here is the catch. Spots are extremely limited. I physically can't work with an unlimited number of people, so if you don't join now, there is a good chance you will miss out. And by the way, entry to the club is completely free, so don't miss the opportunity. Pause this video and click the link in the description or a pinned comment and join the community now. Start today. Thank you for watching until the end. I'll see you inside the community.